Yesterday, I made a video about the Aboriginals of Australia. I spent 14 hours creating a video to show you their life and their culture. And in the post of the video, I wrote, "Thank you, David, for introducing me to these people." And that got me in trouble. Apparently, saying the term "these people" is offensive to some because it's disrespectful. I was told that in the nicest way possible by very nice people in order to learn. But what I did learn was this. So many times we focus on the words letter by letter to see if they offend anything or anyone while we forget the bigger picture, intentions behind these letters. To me, there is no problem in political correctness, but there is a problem in accusing well-meaning people of disrespect simply because their word choice doesn't fit yours. These people, us people, you people need to understand that with everything in life, context is king and words are just words. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow from Broome.
YouTube! If you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours.